Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of pomegranate. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and boost your well-being as we delve into the juicy world of one of nature's superfoods. From its burst of flavor to its impressive nutritional profile, the pomegranate has earned its place in the spotlight. Stick around as we unwrap the incredible health benefits packed into this vibrant fruit. What happens when you bite into those tiny, jewel-like seeds? You unleash a powerhouse of antioxidants that work wonders inside your body. Whether you're blending them into a refreshing smoothie, sprinkling them on salads, or simply enjoying the arils on their own, the possibilities are as endless as the benefits. If you're as intrigued by the wonders of pomegranates as we are, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of health discovery. Now let's unlock the full potential of the pomegranate together. Firstly, let's dive into the heart health benefits of pomegranates. Pomegranates have been associated with improvements in cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that regular consumption may help reduce low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol. The antioxidant properties of pomegranates play a role in preventing LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, which is a crucial step in the development of atherosclerosis. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. Pomegranates may help lower blood pressure, thanks to their potent antioxidant content. Some research indicates that pomegranate juice consumption may lead to a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Chronic inflammation is linked to various cardiovascular diseases. Pomegranates have anti-inflammatory properties attributed to their polyphenol content. By reducing inflammation, they may contribute to the prevention of atherosclerosis and other inflammatory conditions that affect the heart. Pomegranates may enhance endothelial function. The endothelium is the inner lining of blood vessels, and its proper function is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow. Improved endothelial function is associated with better blood vessel dilation and reduced risk of blood clot formation. Certain compounds in pomegranates, such as punicalagins and anthocyanins, are believed to contribute to their cardioprotective effects. These compounds may help prevent the progression of atherosclerosis and reduce the risk of cardiovascular events. What's more, pomegranates contain polyphenols, including flavonoids and tannins, which have been associated with neuroprotective effects. These compounds may help safeguard brain cells from damage and support overall brain health. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in pomegranates may have a positive impact on memory function. This could be attributed to their ability to enhance neural connections and promote synaptic activity. Chronic inflammation is linked to cognitive decline and various neurodegenerative conditions. Pomegranates' anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to a reduction in inflammation within the brain, potentially preserving cognitive function. Neurogenesis refers to the generation of new neurons. Pomegranates have been investigated for their potential to stimulate neurogenesis, which is essential for maintaining cognitive function and memory. Adequate blood flow to the brain is crucial for optimal cognitive function. They may contribute to improved blood circulation, promoting the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. As we age, cognitive decline is a natural process. The antioxidants in pomegranates may play a role in slowing down age-related cognitive decline, helping to maintain cognitive abilities over time. Additionally, pomegranates are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system by promoting the production and function of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Pomegranates have demonstrated antimicrobial properties in some studies. Certain compounds found in pomegranates, such as punicalagins, may help combat harmful bacteria and contribute to the body's defense against infections. Oxidative stress can compromise the immune system. The antioxidants in pomegranates help counteract oxidative stress, ensuring that the immune cells function optimally and are better equipped to respond to threats. Pomegranates may have a positive impact on the adaptive immune response, which involves the production of specific antibodies and memory cells. This could contribute to a more effective and targeted defense against pathogens. But wait, there is more. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, including polyphenols and anthocyanins. These compounds help combat free radicals, which can damage skin cells and contribute to premature aging. Antioxidants in pomegranates may help protect the skin from environmental stressors like UV rays. Pomegranates contain compounds that may promote collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. Supporting collagen production can help maintain skin firmness and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Pomegranates' antioxidant content may help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By protecting the skin from oxidative stress, they contribute to a more youthful and radiant complexion. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of pomegranates may be beneficial for preventing and managing acne. These properties can help reduce redness and prevent the growth of acne-causing bacteria. Pomegranate seed oil, which is extracted from pomegranate seeds, is used in some skincare products. This oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, making it suitable for moisturizing and nourishing the skin when applied topically. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Lastly, pomegranates are a good source of dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber content can help prevent constipation by adding bulk to the stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Adequate fiber intake is crucial for a healthy and smooth digestive process. Pomegranates may have prebiotic effects, promoting the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy balance of gut microbiota is associated with improved digestion and overall well-being. Chronic inflammation in the digestive tract can lead to digestive issues. Pomegranates, with their anti-inflammatory properties, may help soothe inflammation and support a healthy gut. Some studies suggest that pomegranates may have a positive impact on inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help alleviate symptoms. Pomegranates have demonstrated anti-parasitic effects in certain studies, suggesting a potential role in protecting the digestive system against harmful parasites. Compounds in pomegranates may enhance the activity of digestive enzymes, promoting efficient breakdown and absorption of nutrients from the food we eat. Some individuals with irritable bowel syndrome may find relief from symptoms such as bloating and abdominal pain by including pomegranates in their diet. The fiber and anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to symptom management. And there you have it, folks. The vibrant, nutrient-packed pomegranate, a true gem for your health and well-being. Remember, good health is a sum of all our choices. So let's continue exploring the bounties of nature, making mindful choices, and embracing the delicious and nutritious gifts it offers. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.